I just pulled up to the yard. There's a gentleman here that got his Hellcat got impounded yesterday. He's pulling out. I knew he was going to do that. I knew he was pissed off. Welcome back, non-consensual towing. That's what we do. We're rolling in down here to Atlanta. We got a call in. We got a hot one. The managers had it booted last night. Somebody parked in that area she didn't want parking in. And anyway, we're supposed to meet the boot guy. The guy's supposed to take the boot off the vehicle. There you go, bro, man. It ain't much, it's something though.
Hey, I appreciate that.
Yeah, have a good one. This is one of the water boys right here. They're selling waters. You got a panhandler and a water guy. The water boy's hustling I'm good. Thanks, man. Panhandler, man. He's out here trying to panhandle for free. This guy here, he's trying to sell waters, which he's doing pretty good. I guarantee the guy selling waters for $1 is beating that guy this panhandler. Anyway, we're pulling in right now to this property. We're gonna find out what this vehicle is and what the story on this is. It may be controversial. We're gonna find out though. This thing may wind up being a no-tow. Do not see a Ram truck nowhere. Oh, I do see a Ram. It's on the other side too. I'm gonna get out and go check this out. Figure out what the story is. Just tell me, what about the boots? Just load the boots up?
Yeah, in the boot park, yeah. I guess leave them up at the
Do I need to put something in my car or?
I'm trying to tell these people, y'all better pay the park because she come through.
She don't play around. I know.
It was 12 cars. She said boot.
Yeah.
I'm doing exactly what they say because a lot of them walk past and they don't want to pay.
It'll be hard to tow these boots on it, man, and not tear the car up. And the boots will come around and hit the fender well. It's already damaged though. Anyway, I'm watching APD. They keep pulling out of this parking deck right here. They pulled out twice. Pretty sure they're looking for somebody. But this little place I'm at, man, it's a hot spot. There's a lot of foot traffic. I mean, it's just now 11 o'clock. There's a lot of foot traffic. People coming and going. But I keep hearing sirens, man. This place. place is definitely a happening spot down here. It seems like a lot of young people. But anyway, we're gonna see what happens. I'm waiting on the boot guy. When he shows up to remove those boots, I'm gonna yank that Dodge Ram. Lambo straps through the front wheels. That keeps the front wheel from spinning. Keeps the boot from hitting fender well, and it worked. This right here is a way to tow. If you don't know how to tow a vehicle with a boot on it, this right here is how you do it. A lot of tow guys out there, they run into problems doing this kind of work. But this is how it's done, man. I'm just doing my job.
No, you
That's
can't
all
take
I'm
my
doing.
car. Can you go to the office because my car has the tag? I have my proof. You can take it,
Listen,
but I got my proof that my tags are not expired.
Yeah, I believe that. Why didn't you put it in the window? Why didn't you put your paperwork in the window where I can at least see that?
Why do I need to put paperwork in the window when I spoke to the office about people that be putting those things?
That's all I need to know. Yeah. I asked you why you didn't put it in the window where I'm not towing it. I'm not trying to tow people's cars that got tags.
No, look, I asked.
We don't
you
scan,
would know that my tag is not expired.
Nothing. We're not a repo company. We don't scan nothing. We look at the tags. If it ain't fixed,
well, then they lie because I said I asked them what's the process of how they daggone figure out that people's tags are messed up. Do they just go around walking around and looking at people's tags?
Well, it's like this right here. I mean, I understand what you're saying. Hey, that tag's expired. It ain't last month. This is September.
No, that's last year. I know
that's last year. That's what I'm saying. You waiting on it coming in the mail. You've been waiting on it to come in the mail for 6 months. I've
been going back and forth with the people. I'm not paying for another tag. They need to send me my tag. I'm not paying another. I paid $25 for my tag. Then I had to pay another $25. That shit still ain't came yet. I'm not gonna keep on paying $25 to these people for them to send me my tag. So I keep going back and forth with the city for them to send me my stuff. They keep telling me they're gonna send me my stuff. Meanwhile, anytime I get pulled over by the police, they ask me what's going on. I let them know, and I don't have no tickets for my tag being expired because it's not. But if you take my car, that's fine. I just need to know where it's going. I'll come and get it in a little bit, and then it's gonna be a problem with the apartments and your place of business. Because I have my proof that I have my tags and they're not expired.
Well, you didn't put the proof in the back window. I wouldn't have it on the truck if you put it in the back window. I wouldn't have told it.
Well, I didn't know that, but I can do that. Well, you didn't
know that, but you expect me to know that you got it fixed, but it ain't fixed on the
tag. But the office has the proof too, though, that I want my tag.
You know where I'm coming from. I loaded this car up because the tag's expired. You got paperwork, documentation. Why didn't you put the documentation?
Because I sent it to the office. If you work for the office, then the office shouldn't be telling you to take my car.
Well, hey, it ain't marked off the list.
That's not my fault.
Well, it ain't my fault. The tag's bad. It ain't my fault.
I get what you're saying. You're doing your job, but they not doing their job. And then when you not doing your job because they not doing their job, that's problems. But
well, the only person that ain't doing their job is you because you didn't get the sticker on there.
No, I did my job by paying for my sticker and telling them that I didn't get it yet. And I paid again for it, and I still didn't get it yet. So I did my job by doing what I was supposed to do.
Okay, I tell you what, we'll make this real easy. You go get your documentation, and I'll drop this car. And I don't care what the office got. If you got paperwork showing this paid, in the taxi, I'm saying you got a sticker. You got the sticker. If you got, I'll pull it up. Go if you get a key and make it easier on your car. I'm not trying to tow people's cars that got tags. That's not what I do.
Go to work in a little bit.
They messed up and didn't know it, okay? Anyway, hey, you put your paperwork in there, have you never told me if it's got tags, you see it in the paper. You'll never tell me.
I mean, that's their fault, though. That's their fault, because I sent them that.